First, the county delivered a strong message this afternoon after a crowded bar in Pacific Beach was shut down for violating public health orders.
We simply cannot tolerate such blatant and intentional violations of the public health order. Our public health order requires retailers, restaurants, and other businesses that are allowed to be open in Stage 2 to ensure all required measures are implemented. It is also clear that any business that fails to comply with the county's safe reopening plans or the COVID-19 restaurant opening protocols may be required to close.
As our 10 News reporter Leah Pizzetti shows us, the move comes after the county released this video inside the Prez showing customers ignoring social distancing requirements.
Just one day after restaurants are allowed to open with modifications for dine-in customers, the county is now sending a strong message. There are still rules to be followed. Within hours of being able to welcome customers back in, this was the scene at one Pacific Beach bar. This video showing crowds at Prez, leading the county to play the video during a press conference as an example of what not to do. 10 News was there when police arrived at Prez Friday to tell them they had violated county rules and are now shut down.
They will be closed, yes, until they get approval from the county.
The owner of neighboring business PB Pokey says the large groups of people ended up in his restaurant Thursday.
People couldn't get into some bars because they didn't have a mask, so they would ask us, do you have any masks?
Other images show a large line waiting to get into Mavericks, another Pacific Beach location. These owners telling 10 News their biggest problem on the first night back open was this line, and they have new methods to help people keep their distance that they'll be using now. Day one proving to be a day of learning how serious to take the rules.
I mean, I agree with businesses opening. I'm very for that. I just think it was a learning experience for everybody.
Police saying they can't monitor every business, so it's up to owners to enforce the rules and customers to follow them. Leah Pizzetti, 10 News.
And from what we understand from county officials, Prez is the only restaurant that has been shut down by police for violating the reopening rules. We reached out to the restaurant management. They told us, quote, while we believe we were in compliance with Governor Newsom's 12-page mandate for reopening restaurants, after yesterday's experience on our first day of reopening, we now know that we need to take even greater measures to ensure that our customers, our employees, and the community are safe. They also tell us they will make several changes when they're allowed to reopen.